Hello guys, this is Oveda Marie here.
Hi guys, I want to first apologize for having a good amount of the tutorial out of frame. I didn't realize that, of course, until I started editing, but I hope you guys still would enjoy the video, and I was just reminding myself to make sure I stay in frame next time. But anyway, I think it's still a great video, and I hope you guys would really enjoy it. So back on to the tutorial.
And I am back with a design with me video, which I haven't done in a very long time. And I guess you guys can tell from one missing nail, today is going to be a nail design with me video. Now, let me tell you something. My new obsession and passion right now is making my own press-on nails. And this was the very first set of press-on nails that I made. Very cute, very glittery. I love glitter nails during the holidays. And this is what we're going to be doing today, but we're going to be doing it in a different color. I might throw in a little design. I'm still new to this, so hopefully the design comes out right. But yes, this is what we're going to be doing. And the nails is going to be themed more of the Winter Wonderland color. So I'm very excited for this design with me video or tutorial, whichever one you want to call it. But yes, I am excited about these, and I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. We're going to get right into the video. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start off with showing you what gel polish I'm going to be using. This is gel nail polish here, and I got this Beetles brand from Amazon. I'm just starting off, so I'm not trying to get the most expensive, high quality one at the moment, because again, I am a beginner. So we're going to start off with the Beetles brand. You know, I looked at the reviews and it seemed like they had great reviews, so why not start off with one of the basic ones that everyone still raves about. And the color I'm using, it doesn't give you an actual color. I think it just gives you a number. I'm just going to double check. Yeah, so the number is 467. And then this is pretty much a white color here. And then you have this nice silver glitter color here. And this one is 470. This is both from the same collection. And I don't remember what the collection was called, but a lot of them was holiday based. So here's that. Again, I will leave my storefront out so you can check out all these brands here, these colors. And so this one here is B04, excuse me, B043. This one is like a blue. It's kind of like a jelly type of blue, but I really think it's cute. And of course, you're going to need your basics when you're doing gel polish, which is going to be your base gel and your top coat. Of course, you're going to put this on before you apply the color polish, and this one after. Okay, so the other tools that you need, I've already had some nails prepped, but I'm going to show you guys what I did to prep it and show you what the nails look like. So one thing you need is a nice little buffer here, because you want to buff the shine off of the nails. Even though I'm not doing the gel exactly on my nails, you still want to kind of prep the false nails just like it was on your nail. So a buffer, and if I am doing a design, I probably would use this little brush here. This is not by all means necessary a nail art brush, but it was the thinnest brush that I had in my makeup box that I never used. So I am going to use this if I decide to do design, because I do have something in mind, but we'll see. And another thing you need to do for prepping your nails is you need some alcohol here, just to wipe the nails down to get off. Once you finish filing it, you want to get all of the dust or anything that's off of it. You want a nice clean nail, okay? And of course you can use whichever you want, cotton swabs, or you can use the round cotton pads. So it's up to you. Okay, and another thing that you will need to have is a nail stand. I'm gonna show you what I have. All of my nail stands pretty much have been prepped for me to add some nails on. So this is a nail stand here. This is not the one we're going to be using. I'm going to be using my regular little plastic stand, but this is one that you can get. I got this from Amazon. Very, very cute little stand. And on here is some putty. Okay. This here is what I'm using. Tack it, putty, tack, whatever you want to call it. I use this here to put on the nails so that way they can stay in place. They're not going to have like this tremendously great hole, but it definitely will be a great assistance for you to mount the nails onto something. Okay, so now let me show you what my nails look like after I prepped them and filed them down. They're nice and matte and smooth, okay? And that's just what you kind of want to go for. It's just smoothness here. All right, you just want to take the shine off for something that the gel can stick on. So yeah, that is what I researched. Do you need to do it? I don't know, but I did exactly what I do if I needed to prep my own nails. So there you have it. And this is the set of nails. Again, this nail stand here, I also got from Amazon. I will link everything in the description box below. It's going to be in my storefront. Okay, so let's get started with designing. One last thing, I totally forgot to show you guys. It's like the main thing that's going to make everything wearable. It's a UV light. This, again, I got this from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. And this one here goes all the way up to 99 seconds, which is the low heat mode. You have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds here. So this is the main thing that you need for your nails because you have to cure each coat, okay? So yes, now I got everything that we need to start the nails. Okay, first thing is first is you want to go ahead and start off with your base gel. Can't do anything without the base gel, okay? So yeah. Do the base gel, and then you're going to let it cure for about 60 seconds or 120 seconds. I usually do 260 seconds just to make sure. So, yes. Okay, so you see I have my white nails ready to go. The good thing about gel nails is that, like for instance, I accidentally touched this one, but it doesn't set until you cure it. So I can always go back and touch up my mistake before curing it. So yeah, I always want to do like a thin layer. You don't want it to be too thick because sometimes it won't cure right. So I'm looking at my thumb. I think I can probably smooth it out just a little bit more. There you go. So I'm going to take these two off for right now because like I said, one is going to be blue and the other one is going to have a design. I think I'm going to do a design. So I'm going to go ahead and cure these for 260 seconds. Okay, so now I have the blue and the white there, which is great. So now I have one more thing to do, which is this here. Oh, not one more, I'm sorry. One more thing to do is to finish this design. I'm going to put the white here at the bottom. Okay, so the rest of the nails for the white, I am going to be putting the silver, what is it called? Glitter polish over the white and the blue. Change your plans. I'm going to put a different glitter on top of the blue. And it's going to be this one here, which is B042, which is like a glitter blue to go on top of it. And you'll see what I mean. Alrighty, so I put the blue also on the, what you got it? Oh, I hope the lighting is really good because I didn't put a light in here. So now I'm going to put this thingy right here. I don't know if you guys can see it really well. I'm going to put this on the nail right here. Hopefully it goes on right. I am shaking. Why, I don't know. It's a little, I probably should have thought of like a different, yeah, we're not going to be able to do that because It's cured, so it's not going to do anything. So what I'm going to do is do maybe some kind of one of these curves or whatever. I do want to try one of these things here to go. Oh no, actually, let's try this here. I'm gonna try one of these. I don't know if I want to try. That's gonna be too big. So we're gonna try one of these here. This little gold flake one here. The trick is to try to fold it to get it off. Let's see how this will look. Because I know it's silver, but I love adding gold even with silver. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm just gonna tap, tap, tap. Even though it's cured, you know, I still don't want to like overdo it. But want to make sure that it's... Oh, that's perfect. And so now, to even make that even grander, all right, so this is cured. Yeah, that's cured. This one here just finished curing. I'm gonna do the same for this one, and then we're gonna put a top coat on it. Okay, so last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this gold here, which is D501. And I'm going to make a gold little streak here. Even though I said silver, this is gonna be dope. Hold on. Okay, so this is what the nails look like with all of the coats and the top coat. So now what I'm going to do, I took most of my nails off, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails and you will see the end result.